In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile name on Gumroad. If you want your storefront to reflect your brand or just prefer a different display name, this quick walkthrough will help you make that update with confidence. First, go to Gumroad using your web browser. Once the site loads, you should land on your dashboard. If you're viewing another page, look for the main dashboard link in the navigation so you can start from the home base. The dashboard is where you manage your products, payouts, and account controls, and it's the best jumping off point for any account change. From the dashboard, head to Settings. You'll usually find it in the sidebar or behind a small gear icon. Settings is where all your account and storefront preferences live. Inside Settings, select the Profile section. This area controls how your public-facing information appears to customers and followers, including your display name, bio, and other details. Within Profile, locate the name field. This is the name that appears on your Gumroad profile and anywhere your creator identity is shown. Click into that field and input the name of your choice. Keep in mind that your name is part of your professional presentation, so choose something clear and consistent with your brand. Some special characters or unusually long names may not display perfectly across all layouts, so shorter and cleaner often looks best. After you've entered the name you want, your change may save automatically depending on the current Gumroad interface. If you see a button to confirm or save, go ahead and use it to lock in the update. That's it, your new name is now set. To double check, you can navigate back to your profile page or open your storefront to see the updated display. For a smooth experience, give the page a moment to refresh if the change doesn't appear right away, and clear your cache if you're still seeing the old name. Remember, this update affects how customers recognize you, so it's worth taking a second to ensure it looks exactly the way you want. You're done, and your Gumroad presence now reflects the name you chose. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to follow along with more quick tutorials like this one, and keep building a storefront that looks and feels